Okay, hi everyone. So I've done a handful of videos on smart recruiters, and now I want to show both sides. So I've done videos on the recruitment side, and then I've done videos on the applicant side as well. So now I'm going to show kind of what that looks like for both. And so I have another video on the full application process, but I've essentially created an application here for an SAP FICO Consulting Manager job, and I'm going to go ahead and submit this. And so now it tells me application submitted. You'll receive a confirmation email soon. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch hats. So I'm going from being an applicant that's applying for a job to the recruiter side of things, where I'm coming into the job side of this, looking at it from a recruiter standpoint. And so if I take a look at this, I will have this SAP FICO Consulting Manager, and now I can see what this looks like. Um, and so I can see now I just have my new applicant, Michael Hartman, and so I can click into this and actually see and take a look and see the fields that were filled out during the application. I can look at it and see the profile. In terms of the communication, I can send a communication back to them, as well as enter any notes or have interviews or anything like that, right? So I can kind of see all of that information right over here. I can view the application fields right here, anything we have. I could download the resume if I wanted to as well. And so this is what it looks like on the other side of things from that standpoint. All right, thanks for watching. Just wanted to quickly showcase that. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions or other things you'd like to see. Thanks.